All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit cards to get rewards back in Bitcoin, 6-in-1 miners, all kinds of good stuff. Well, today we're going to be talking about one of our favorite coins we've been talking about for almost a year, AMP token. Yeah, this coin is up in the last 24 hours. Is this a good time to reposition? We're going to talk about AMP, and then we're also going to talk about in 2021, about 12% of adults owned cryptocurrency. But is that the full picture? And the people that are holding cryptocurrency, we need to find out what type of people are they. Are they the middle class, people with money, over 100,000? What's the story on it? I got an article we're going to go to. All right. Don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and one day own it, understand it, be in a project, at least be able to make educated decisions about cryptocurrency. Just to start it right here, I'm not a financial planner. All my information is for educational purposes only. All right, let's head over to, hey, 1 second, got a big announcement. In the next day or so, we're launching our new YouTube channel. Yep, Frank from Frank's Crypto Corner is a sports fanatic. I can't help it. We're going to be talking about sports on a different channel. It's going to be Frank's Sports Corner, and it's going to be about football, baseball, basketball, all kinds of good stuff. We'll link it in the bottom, but we don't even have the channel made yet, not for the next few days. It's a special update for people. If you're into sports, you're going to freaking love it. All right, let's head over to AMP token. All right, over here at CoinMarketCap, AMP is at number 84. It's actually up right now, almost 2%. Down for the week, about 7%, but it bounced back to almost 1.77. Traded at a cent, 0.013. Clicking it. Going over to AMP over to the right here, it's about a penny. I was talking about this coin when it was at 4 cents, 5 cents, went all the way up to 7 cents. Everything is down right this second, but I'm fantastically happy. Look at it, it's up right this second. Going over to the chart. We had a big spike right here. It came down to the valley, and it's going back up. In the last 7 days, coin is going down a little bit. 7 days ago, it was at 0.14. Right now, it's at 0.13. Not too bad. Is this the time to reposition if you like the AMP token? Let's talk about it. Over at their Twitter account, what is AMP for the viewers that don't know? AMP is a digital collateral token that provides instant variable assurance for any real-world application, developed by Flexa HQ. Couple good things right here. AMP, we're going to go to their website. We're going to talk about all the different assets. It says right here, AMP can collateralize any type of asset transfer, whether a digital or physical today. AMP is providing the collateral for instant fraud-proof transactions made using more than 25 different digital assets. 25. That's pretty freaking awesome, everybody. Talking a few days ago, happy Bitcoin Pizza Day. So it was happy Bitcoin Pizza Day. Big announcement about a week ago. Excited announcement. Flexa HQ is using Forta to monitor system critical operations. Learn more about their monitoring and why right here on the actual Twitter account. The Flexa team. All the detection bots give the DeFi community the ability to monitor the Flexa collateral pools and will alert the community to information related to staking activities. Fantastic right there. A couple of big things too about a week ago. Even with the turbulence microenvironment, AMP staked on Flexa network is showing resilience. The number of holders has remained constant, and the number of AMP staked is nearly at the ATH since last month, and we have about a 5% increase in the AMP staked on the Flexa capacity. Going over to their website, let's take money into the 21st century. AMP provides assets like BTC, Doge, with instant variable assurance for any real-world application. When you're right here, Litecoin, as you can see, it's going around. Next one's going to be Ethereum. Do you see it going around the horn here? So, yep, what do you do with AMP? You stake it, you send it, you repeat. AMP is an extensive platform for collateralizing asset transfers. Staking AMP, any form of value can be exchanged for guaranteed digital payments, fiat currency, exchanges, loans, distributions, properties, sales, and more. Once you stake it, once it is staked, then the AMP is ready to collateralize and transfer with the use of collateral pools. AMP efficiently decentralizes the risk of asset transfers, especially suitable for fraud-proof network and any real-world application. Let's talk about real-world here. brick and mortar stores, they don't like using cryptocurrency because of how long it takes for it to actually, even though you send something to your friend and they get it, in 10 seconds or 5 seconds, it's really not there sometimes for a minute, 10 minutes, an hour, 3 hours, 12 hours, even a day. The merchant can't have somebody pay $80 for something, pay with digital currency, cryptocurrency, and then all of a sudden he finds out 2 hours later or 10 hours later that the guy's crypto bounced. So what AMP does is AMP collateralizes it. So when the person pays with AMP, AMP basically steps in and makes sure that the merchant receives that money. And then all of a sudden, if the money's not there, the AMP's going to pay that merchant. So they do collateralize. It's an awesome system. Sheetz gas station is used at the Flex network, all kinds of good stuff. All right, let's head back over. Why AMP? Why AMP? AMP helps you decentralize the risk for the users with smart contracts, features, built-in purpose, collateralizing, nothing more and nothing less. Collateral first service. All right, there's obviously, you can go to their white paper to learn more about AMP token, which is fantastic. We're going to come back to AMP here real quick. We're going to talk about adults. About 12%, only about 12% of adults held crypto in 2021. But is this the full picture? It says crypto adoption curves the note and upward over the years. As a result, more and more people have started using the new form of digital currency. In fact, countries like El Salvador and CAR have already adopted crypto like Bitcoin as legal tender. The U.S. Federal Reserve's latest survey echoes the same narrative. For the first time, including crypto in surveys to outline adults' consumers' experience with the form of payment. On Monday, the agency released a report saying well-being of U.S. households of 2021. It outlined the same, that around 11,000 American adults were surveyed in October and November, a period of last year. What did they find out? Per the finding, the agency brought to light that the major chunk of people with high incomes greater than $100,000 held investments in cryptocurrency. So what they're saying is a lot of folks that are making over 6 figures are playing with cryptocurrency or holding cryptocurrency. Also, when compared to last year, an increase in the number of people using cryptocurrency as a form of investment as noted. The report noted those who held cryptocurrency purely for investment purposes were disproportionately high income people. As a report, 12% of the survey adults held used cryptocurrency last year. Notably, it was favored as an investment tool related to transactions once. Only 2% of adults used it for purchase, while only 1% used it to send money to friends or family. So out of the 12%, most of these folks are using this as an investment. Take a look at this chart right here. Right here, the dark area says no crypto use, which is going to be right here. The crypto for investments is right here. Take a look at that. And then also crypto for transactions. And the transaction is not as much. All right, the report further went on to highlighted that 99% of people who invested in crypto without using them for transactions also had bank accounts. On the other hand, 13% of unbanked were more likely to use crypto as a means of payment as investment. Furthermore, 27% of the unbanked who did not have credit cards used crypto for transactions, while 7% of the unbanked also had no credit cards used crypto as an investment. In all, the report concluded that the adoption of crypto in the U.S. was growing and more people intend to invest in crypto. So with that being said, cryptocurrency, we're at the beginning, everybody. I know it's bloody in the streets 2 weeks ago and last week. Things are starting to bounce back. AMP token is actually up in the last 24 hours. Fantastic. Good job, AMP. But isn't that interesting? A lot of folks that are making over 6 figures is holding cryptocurrency. They're not using it for transactions and they're not using it for purchase, but they are using it as investment. And then there's people that actually don't have bank accounts or don't have credit cards that are paying with cryptocurrency. Pretty interesting that more and more the adoption of cryptocurrency is here to stay and more people are using it. All right, let's head back over to AMP token for a little price prediction and check this out. All right, back over at the white paper here. Meet our friends and people that they work with, from staking payments on Flexa to providing stability with liquidity. The AMP ecosystem offers many ways to use and earn AMP today. Here are some of the people they work with: Flexa, Gemini, Sushi, Uniswap, Bittrex, Cream, Loopring, Yield, Rainbow, just to name a few, Chainlink, CoinGecko, Zapper. Yep, so AMP token is basically working with a lot of different companies here. How do we feel about this price prediction? Wow, look at that. It's even going up since I started this video. Well, we're actually going to go bullish on this. The coin right now is at 0.013. I think AMP's going to go to 0.015. Again, all my information is for educational purposes only. Do your own homework. I'm just a guy on YouTube documenting my journey of cryptocurrency. AMP is one of my favorite tokens. I've been talking about it for about 9 or 10 months. Like I said, AMP was at 4 cents, 5 cents a few months ago, 6 months ago probably. And right this second, it is up. Well, do me a favor. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon. If you think I did a fantastic job, hit the thanks. Appreciate it all. I'm going to also link some videos. Click right here so you can learn about USDC crop farmers, and click over here so you can learn about BUSD crop farmers. Both of these are actually projects that I'm into. They're working real good. The reason I like it because they're pegged to $1. I don't have to worry about waking up in a day or a week and the coin being down 30%. Thanks for tuning in to Frank's Crypto Corner. And remember, in a few days from now, we're going to have a sports channel, Frank's Sports Corner. We'll be bringing it to you in a few days. Have a fantastic day, everybody.